Welcome back to the ongoing series on world mapping. In our last videos, we have covered the political map of Europe. So today we will start with the physical map of the Europe. We will study about the important mountain ranges in today's video. We'll start with the Ural Mountains. So you can locate these mountains in the map here. Now these Ural Mountains are the natural boundary between the Europe and Asia. Okay, so this is very important. It is a common question in most of the exams, as which of the following mountains is the natural boundary between Europe and Asia. Okay, so you can see here it is a natural boundary between Europe and Asia, with the highest point is Mount Narodinja, which is at 6,214 feet. Okay, the next important mountain is Carpathian Mountain. Now these Carpathian Mountains are geologically young European mountain chains forming the eastward continuation of the Alps. Okay, now you can see in this map, if we locate the Alps here, if you see in this map here, this is the Alps and these are the Carpathian Mountains. Okay, and these Carpathian Mountains are the continuation of the Alps. Okay, that is the eastward continuation of the Alps, right? Next important mountain is the Jolene Mountains. See, such type of mountains are important because such type of mountains either forms the boundary between two countries or multiple countries. Okay, so the probability of questions coming on this type of questions is very much high. Okay, so Jolene Mountains forms the border between the eastern Norway and western Sweden. Okay, so if we locate these mountains in this map, you will see here is the Jolene Mountains. Okay, so this is the border between the Sweden and the Norway. Okay, so you can locate this in your map, right? If you locate this in your map and revise this with your map, then it will be easy for you to remember, right? Because the pictorial image is always there in the memory, right? If you go to write it without seeing the image, then it will be difficult to remind. Okay, the next important mountain is the Apennine Range. Okay, also called as the Apennines. Okay, it is a series of mountain ranges bordered by narrow coastlands that form the physical backbone of peninsular Italy. Okay, now important question that comes based on this is the two active volcanoes located in the Apennine range are the Mount Vesuvius and Mount Etna. Okay, so in either way question may come that in which of the following mountain range the active volcanoes are located. Okay, multiple mountain ranges may come in the question. Again, question may come which of the following are the active volcanoes, right? So this is important. Now we will locate this on the map. See, this is the Apennine range and this forms the virtual backbone of Italy, right? Okay, mark this in your atlas. Next, the Alps. So Alps are a small segment of discontinuous mountain chain that stretches from the Atlas Mountains of North Africa across southern Europe and Asia to beyond the Himalayas. Okay, so this is such a long range of mountains, right? And the Mount Blanc is the highest peak of the Alps. This is very important. Okay, so you can see the Alps in this map here. So this portion is the Alps and it stretches till the Himalayas of Asia. Okay, so we have seen in earlier about the Carpathian Mountains. So this is the eastern arm of the Alps, right? So this range stretches to the Asia, okay, till the Himalayas, right? Next important mountain is the Parnassite. Okay, so this Parnassite stretches from the source of the Mediterranean Sea on the east to the Bay of Biscay on the Atlantic Ocean on the west, right? The Pyrenees form a high wall between France and Spain. Again important. Okay, see, I have said earlier that such type of questions or probability of such type of questions is very high, right? that which of the following mountains form the natural boundary between these countries, right? So these Pyrenees forms the boundary between France and Spain. Okay, so you can see the map here. So this part is the Pyrenees. Okay, this forms boundary between this is Spain and this is France, right? Okay, so the last important mountain is the Caucasus mountain. You can see this in this map. Okay, so Caucasus mountain is, you can see here, so Mount Elbrus is the greater Caucasus range, is the highest peak of this mountain, right? So Mount Elbrus is the highest peak of the Caucasus mountains. Okay, so with this mountain the video ends with all the important mountain ranges of Europe. Okay, in the next video we will start with the important water bodies of Europe. So thank you for watching.